Hello YouTube, today I have the Eachine VR011 goggles. They were nice, they are transformable, so you can detach the screen from it. Well, here's what comes in the box. Let's get this down here. You get a charger, you have a battery, it's a 2-cell, 7.4 volt LiPo. No balance plug on this, and it does have a barrel connector. It is a 5.5 by 2.5 millimeter enter, so that's something to keep in mind there. You get the antennas. These are just standard whip style antennas, and it is a RPSMA, and this one is the, I guess you would call that the female side, but I think they call this the male side, but this does not have the pin in it. The pin is actually on the goggles. You get a video cable. You get an AV cable for a DVR. Now, I had to repair this one because it came broken. The little plug was broken off the end, so I had to repair that. That's just a packaging issue. Also, that comes with a DVR cable that goes from the DVR to the goggles, and I'll show you where all that goes here in a minute. I had to repair these too because this wire was messed up. I emailed Eachine several times, never got a reply about this, so I don't know if I'll be buying another Eachine product, but yeah, they were horrible about responding. You also get a battery strap. I don't know why they give you a battery strap, but you got a battery strap. You get 2 wipes. A lot of good it's going to do you after the first use. They're done. You got a wet and a dry to wipe your screen with. It also comes with 2 pads for the faceplate. Now, I've already put the thick one on. This is the thin one. And here's the goggles. You get a nice 3-point head strap. It's adjustable on the side somewhat. It's got Velcro there, and it's adjustable here. And this is where your battery would go, right in here. It would just tuck in there. Just see if I can get this in here like this. Just lift up on the thing here and tuck the battery in like that. Okay, and then it would plug in right over here. There's also a little hole right here you can run the wire through. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now, the screen is the resolution on the screen is 800 by 480. Oh, by the way, it also comes with a nose pad here, nice little nose pad, and the padding is pretty nice. It's comfortable. It does have a lens in there, and then you have right here where your antennas attach. Let's go ahead and put those things on here. Okay, bend these down just to keep them out of the way here for a little bit. Then you also got your mode switch, mode and quit switch. That's to exit your menu and exit your menus and change the modes on the goggles. You got your menu switch. You got your forward and back buttons, or up and down buttons, and your scan button for your frequency. And on the front, I haven't even taken the plastic off of this yet. It's got the Eachine VR011 right there. Now, the one thing about this is you can detach them like that, and it just goes back on. Get it about middle, line it up, and it slides right back on. So you just lift up on it, and there you go. Okay, and this is able to be mounted to a tripod, so if you want somebody to use these to watch along. And on the side here, you can add the optional DVR, and this is the plug where you go from the DVR to record your flights. And on this side, you have your jack right here for audio out. It's got audio out, and it's also got video in and out. There's, you use your video plug, plugs in right there for in, and this would be video in from your DVR as well, and I'll show you later on with the DVR on another video how to plug all that in. But right now, let's get this onto a tripod here. Okay, let's get this up here. Let's get a look at the menu anyway. Let's try to get a look at the menu in this. Get the battery off here so we can plug this in. Now with me, I did want to mention one thing about the, before we do this, about the goggles here. Now I do get a little bit of light leakage off the side here with my head shape, but I get it on both sides, just a little bit right around the temple. But I don't even notice it when I'm flying. I mean, I do not notice it at all. But you could always add a little piece of foam in there or something to take up that space if necessary. So let's get this turned on. I had a hard time plugging that in. Okay, let's get focused on this screen here. All right. Well, you got your menu, and your menu has the backlighting, brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and get out of that. Let's go down. You can use the up and downs to go that way. Which one is it? Hold on. I gotta figure out which one it is here. There we go. Alright, so now you got your camera. This is for choosing your frequencies. It's got 40 channels, and you also can change from NTSC and PAL. You have your language selection, horizontal position, vertical position, OSD timeout, and transparency. And here you have a reset, complete reset, calibrate RSSI, display ratio. You can do 4:3 or 16:9. Signal icons on, overscan, and sharpness. So you have several options here, but if you go into here, this is where you can change your NTSC and PAL, which I don't want it NTSC, or I want it to go, oops. Okay, come on, get switched over there. There we go. Alright, I do want it on NTSC, and it is. Okay, so if you select in here, you go down, you can select your frequencies there, whatever frequencies you want to do. So that's good there. So there's the basics of the menu. It's pretty good. Let's see about getting a camera plugged into this thing. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to grab my little micro that has a camera on it already. I apologize for the delay here, but I wasn't thinking when I was setting this video up, of course. I don't get much chance to do these videos except in the middle of the night when it's nice and quiet, because it's pretty noisy around my neighborhood for some reason, most of the time. Okay, got a video camera here, and I've already had this camera on the frequency that I need. So you can see the frequencies down in the corner here, and also the signal strength. You got the voltage of your battery on your goggles, and it's got AV on the corner there. So when you go in here and you go to change, say your frequency or whatever, you can change it on your camera and then just use the scan button. So I'll just show you the scan button here. Here, just get out of that, and I'll just scan again, and it'll scan through and it'll find the frequency that the camera's on. It does really well with this scanning. You can also double check your frequency with your camera. And there it goes. Caught the camera frequency again. So it is a pretty good looking camera. It looks pretty nice. The screen's good. This is a 800 TV line camera. So that's not too shabby. Nice picture. I mean, doing this on the video like this does not do it justice, but it is a pretty nice picture. It's definitely good enough for flying. So there's your basics of that. Okay, what else? I don't think there's much else to say about these goggles. So my next video I'll show you the DVR on this, and I'll show you how to plug in all these other parts. As for the video in from another source, I don't have any way to do that, but basically all that is this cable here. You have your video RCA jack, and then you have the plug goes into the goggles. So the very next video will be getting the DVR. Oh, I just forgot to mention a couple of things. I figured I'd just stitch this onto the end of the video here. On these VR011 Eachine goggles, I did forget to mention that they are wide enough in here to wear reading glasses, because I have to wear reading glasses. And here's my reading glasses, and they fit in there. I'm able to wear these glasses on these goggles without too much problems. I just got to put the goggles up to my face first, and then pull the strap over my head. That way the glasses fit right in there. I mean, there's just enough room for these glasses to fit. It'll touch the padding when they're going on, but once your face is in there, they're okay. They sit on nice. Matter of fact, let me find a ruler and I'll give you some measurements here, just in case some of you guys have to wear reading glasses. These glasses are 5 1/4 inch, just a hair over 5 1/4 inches wide, and the clearance in here is 5 1/4 inches, or just shy, 5 1/8. So like I said, it touches the foam when it goes on the edges of the glasses, but it does work. Like I said, I do have to wear these glasses to see the screen in here, because it's not adjustable. The focus is not adjustable in here, but these I picked up at Walmart for $5. They work just fine for me, and you know, I'm really liking these goggles with these glasses, but I'd have to get it much further away from my face, and I can't get it far enough away from my face even putting the second pad on there. So I have to wear the glasses. But if any of you guys wear glasses, yes, they will work. There's plenty of room in there for reading glasses. I'll do this again, about 5 1/8 by 2 inches right there. And from the nose bridge, it's about 1.5 inches there. So as long as you don't have glasses that are super huge and super wide, they will fit in there. So these are 5 1/4 again, or just a little over 5 1/4. They're 5 3/8. So they do go in, like I said, put it over your face first, then pull the strap over your head, and that way you don't knock the glasses around. But yeah, nice. They fit. I can't use regular goggles. That's why I bought these, because they do fit the reading glasses. So thanks for watching.